Okay guys, so today's vlog is gonna be about, holy shit, my car is almost fucked up.
These mortals have awakened the gods of old. We rise from our slumber to reveal our true power. Focus fire. Now to strike.
Look at my car right now. At least the motor is up, not the other way. If not, I'll be really pissed right now. But look at this, guys. This is what happens when it rains in Puerto Rico, like legit. And I hope that car is fine. I don't know. There's a lot of current right now. And look at where the water is right now. Look at that. Well guys, this is a vlog. I wanted to show you guys the flood. I had to change shirt. At least I have a pair of like new shirt and new clothes, at least always in the car. But guys, goddamn, it's still raining, still flooded. The car, the black BMW, is fine. I talked to the owner and the owner is okay. It hasn't gotten any water inside, in which I thought it had. But yeah guys, wanted to show you this, and well, yeah, let's see if tomorrow I'll show you guys a car. So give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and remember to subscribe. So I'll see you guys tomorrow with another video. Peace.